Okay, so we're gonna create some compile options. Right now it doesn't work because we haven't implemented it yet, even though
Compiling BrightEditor.
compiling works. Right. So yeah, we're just gonna implement this. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. It's pretty late, but let's just do this. We need the window, so let's just call it it's a dialogue. We need to create it somewhere. Where did I put it? Okay, 2105. Okay, first I just have to copy one of these things. I don't like object oriented, so let's just copy paste. Let's call it. Sure. Is that it? Okay, we need to get another thing. Let's change the procedure to okay, let's write this procedure. Just write it here. Okay. Just turn the default. Let's just get this set up. Okay, wait. So let's first make a window for the dialogue. So where's the edit handler? Okay, here it is. And I remember, I think it's 2105. Okay, we're gonna do init. We're gonna just create a function. Init compile options dialog, and we're gonna pass the window. Now let's add this. Okay, now I need to write this thing. Let's just write it here. What do we need? Okay. Just first get a pretty standard. The handle to the structure at. Okay. Yeah, so let's just make sure that it works. Okay, let's create the window now. We still need to just let's just add it here, honestly. Compile options dialog. Is that what we named it? I forgot. What do we name it? Oh, BrightEditor compile options dialog. Why not? Okay, okay, let's explore some options. Where should we go? Let's do that later. First, let's create this dialogue thing. Okay. Okay, the class, we need to get the atom. Okay, we need to change this thing. And oh wait, we also need to put these things. Forgot to add these. Oh shit. Okay, I screwed it up. Good enough. Oh my. Actually, let's put this up there. Never mind. I don't care. Okay, now let's change this name. Change default. Get compile option. Get compile options dialog atom. Just put it here. Dude, I hate this copy and pasting. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's okay. Let's get this thing. Just call it. We need. Let's just specify that it's for C++. Sure. Okay, Windows style pop-up Windows style. Is it a child? No, I don't know. It can't be. Okay. Caption Windows style. What else is there? Okay, let's clip all the children. X. Let's just do 50. Width. Let's do. I don't know. We can change this around. Parent. There's no parent, right? Maybe I shouldn't have named it such a long name, dude. But oh well. Let's let's just see if it will show now. Oh wait, no, it's not. Wait, did it? I think it will. Because did I handle that correctly? No. I don't care about warnings, dude. Where is it? Oh shoot. Show window show. Okay, let's just see. Does it work now? Okay, nice. So it works. I think yeah, it has to be wider. Definitely needs to be wider. So let's just I don't even know, dude. Let's do 450, 550. Why not, dude? Okay. Should we disable? No. Oh well, who cares? We don't need to disable the window. Okay. Compile. Okay. So now let's just create the UI things. So we're gonna want a a debug option, right? That's one. Okay, yeah, we want a warnings option. So these should just be checkboxes, I think. So let's just do debug check compile options warn wall check, because it's called wall. Warnings all, I guess. Don't care about libraries. If you want that, you can just run the command yourself. Is that it? There has to be more. We need some more. That was not helpful, and this is probably too much. Yeah, that's too much. Can I get something in between, please? Nope, this is just too much. Oh my. Okay, finally, okay. C++ version, let's do that. Oh yeah, and optimization. Yeah, so these two will be combo boxes. Yeah, okay. Is a combo box, wait. I forgot about this stuff. I don't even do this much. Who cares? We'll figure it out later. Let's just say CB for combo box. What should we call it? Yeah, CPP. Is it standard or version? What's that called? I don't even know. Here. Versions? Or is it standard? Yeah, standard. Sure. Standard combo box. Okay, now let's create these things. Shoot. Okay, wait. Let's just copy this, put them here. Actually, just let's create the things, right? We're going to use our library functions. I'm not using create window anymore. That's too long. So let's just declare some things. Okay, we want the text, do we? Yeah, we can have some text. Let's just have a placeholder for now. We can determine that later. I don't know, let's just do... Okay, let's do 10. Let's have a padding of 10, or maybe margin. Width, we can just do... It doesn't really matter. Parent will be... Oh shoot. Okay. Now let's do okay, let's use our create window. Wait, no, we can't do that actually, because we don't have ones for combo boxes. What do we call these things? Okay, they start with compile options. We actually have to do all this manually too. That's annoying, but okay. Debug. Let's just call it debug. Style, it's like auto checkbox, right? Button style auto checkbox. Is that it? Let's put a caption. Do we need that? Nope. Oh, it needs. It's a child. Yeah. X. Let's put. Okay, this is gonna start at 10. Actually, this is the first one we're gonna do. So this should actually have an X of like, I don't know. Let's just say like 100 for now. Doesn't matter right now. We're just guessing. Width. Let's just do that. This actually does need a H menu thing, right? Does it? I don't know. Do we? I don't know. What was that? Show all lines. Should just copy this. No, it's not copy. Show all lines. Okay, let's put this like, I don't know, 50, 60. Wait, no, it's the 10, 60. No, it's the Y. What am I doing? Okay. I need a button? Because when I'm clicking it, oh yeah, so when I'm clicking it, I need the thing to like. No, I don't. Yeah, okay. I don't need an H menu. Because when I click it, nothing. It doesn't happen until I press. Nothing happens until the user presses the save button. So yeah, that doesn't need it. Okay, let's now do, shoot, what's it called? The combo boxes, dude, I forgot how to do this. Let's do some reference. Okay, yeah, we don't need to search, there's only a few, right? Yeah, there's only a few for the optimization and the standards, so we don't need drop down list, right? Let's just do drop down. It's a button, right? I'm pretty sure. No, it's a combo box, okay. Oh, let's do the optimization first. I don't know. Wait, no, this is for the thing in there. It's just supposed to be empty, right? Yeah, we have to add strings in there, dude. That's annoying, but oh well. That shouldn't be too hard. Combo box style. Drop down, not drop down list. They don't have to search it. X, let's do 10. Y, let's do. Actually, I think this is where the text comes in. Let's do That's annoying, but oh well. Okay, and then we need a save button. Okay, so for this, we can just do it. Use our library function. Okay. Okay, let's just do like, it doesn't matter. As long as if it shows up, let's just do like, I can't think right now, it's too late. 350. We're gonna adjust it later. That's not gonna show up in the bot, right? But oh well. Width, I don't know, 60, 40. Yeah, okay, the H menu is, okay, what have we not used yet? $150. don't even know what to put, man. It's like, oh my. I don't even know. I'll just put like 160. I don't think that's been used before, right? Yeah, it hasn't. It's fine. I'll just put 160. I don't even know, dude. So disorganized, but oh well. Huh. Let's do 160. Okay. No, dude. We're gonna adjust this later. Oh well. 161. Yay. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's annoying. Okay, drop down. It also needs to be it's also a child. Okay, so the x is still 10. Wait, no, it's not 10. Just put 100 for now. Because we want the text to the left of it. Should I have text to the left of it? I don't know. Like that says optimization. No, the text is gonna be too long. Let's just have it 10. It should know because the first thing should tell that it's optimization. Why? I don't know, 20 now? I don't know. Width? Just have it the full width. 300 or something, I don't know. It only needs to be 35. Parent. Let's just see so far. It's gonna look terrible and all over the place, but that doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, nice. Wow, that's actually better than I thought, dude. Like, that's way better than I thought. I thought it was gonna look horrible. Wow, that's actually very good. That's actually very good. Okay. I'm actually pretty good. Very good. Do I want this? Like, okay. Wait, no, the height of the combo box needs to be much higher. Okay. Oh yeah, we need to add some stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so first let's just decrease the height. It doesn't need to be that big, right? Like, it doesn't need to be 550, dude. Just do like 500 instead. Yeah, we need to add to the combo box. But let's first create them before adding them. Okay, this time let's, okay, that was actually too high, so let's put this at like 110. Let's put this at like 150. right? Okay. Okay, and it can't be 35 because it's not going to show them. I don't know, let's just do like 300 or something. Doesn't matter. I can't type. Okay, now let's just add a bunch of the things into the combo box. So the versions are like every 3 years, so like 11, 14, 17. Yeah, let's first add to the standard, so it's probably going to be kind of annoying, but yeah, I hate writing send message, so let's just declare it honestly, because otherwise I'm going to have to do the send message and cast it to lparam every single time. That's so annoying. Okay, so let's just create a vector with the things. Oh wait. Yeah, 11. Yeah, sure. Should I write that? I don't know. But it's gonna look weird having like a combo box with such short strings. Should I add 23? I mean, 26 is about to come out. No, I don't want to add it. Let's have another vector. Optimizations, optims. I don't even know the optimization options. It's like 01, 02 something. Dude, too detailed. Let's use the AI overview. Okay, yeah, that looks right, I think. 00. Okay, let's just say no optimization. 01. Slight optimization. Let's capitalize it. O2. What's O2? Okay. Extreme optimization for O3, I guess. What should we call O2? I don't know. I don't know, what should we call it to? High optimization. And O3 can be called extreme optimization. All caps it. Is that it? What about okay, so O size. Okay, optimize for size over speed. So like size of the binary. OS. We'll include this, why not? Favor size. exe size over speed. I think that should be it, right? Fast, unsafe, I don't know, maybe. Is that it? I think that should be fine. Okay, now let's just add these to the combo box. Shoot, just controlled alt everything. Dude, I accidentally just Windows E'd. I can't type at all. To the combo box, right? Yeah. What is it called? Combo box message? No. What's the Hungarian prefix for this? It's just combo box add string. No. There's no W param, right? I forgot. Yeah, there's no W param in the. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. And then later when we have the settings, we have to do the, yeah, so over here, later we're gonna, we're gonna set it to whatever the user currently is. So like right now we have like, so maybe we should just do that. Right after this, like, we're just gonna make it so that, yeah, we're gonna create a file here called compileoptions.txt. That's gonna store the users, and then we're gonna read that, and then we're just gonna, every time they open this, we're gonna set the combo box to, and we're gonna check the things to what they already have currently. What's the error? Where is it? Okay, let's just do a little small test. Okay, yeah, so it works. The font is a bit like not anti-aliased though. Should I anti-alias it? I don't know, man. Yeah, let's try anti-aliasing it. It doesn't look that great right now. Anti-aliasing, let's go. Just call it font. Let's anti-alias everything, honestly. Okay. I don't think we have to test this even. Yay. It looks less ugly, I guess, now. Okay, what should we have? What else should we have? Is that it? I don't know, man. Let's just create this file for now. I'm just gonna create this file. Okay. Let's go here. AD means app data for us. App data compile options path. Let's add that here. Now let's just create it. Scale the app data. Wait, no, it should be the app data plus. Oh no, it should be the BrightEditor path. The app data BrightEditor path plus text. Nice. Compile options. And each line is just going to have the thing. Okay. Wide output file stream. Yeah, if it doesn't exist. Okay, so otherwise, let's say it does exist. Okay, actually, let's not put this here. Oh wait, no, okay. So let's put this over here. Let's put this down here actually. Yeah, so if it doesn't exist, then we're gonna fill it with like default values for like what we want it to have. Otherwise, we're just gonna read it in. Okay, so no, it's like we're gonna fill it. No, it's not otherwise, because otherwise we're gonna read it in anyways. So there's no else. Yeah, but if it doesn't exist, if it exists, we're gonna read it in. If it doesn't exist, we're gonna fill it with default values, and then yeah, you know. So yeah. Yeah, we're gonna fill it with default values. So we're gonna write to it. Okay, so let's write like ascending to up to down for the GUI. There's the debug. So this is the default. If they don't have any yet, we want to give them G++. Because, I mean, G++ is great. No, wait. Minus G. They want to debug. Minus G is the debug. So default optimization. No, wait. No, we don't want to do this actually. Wait, no, okay. Maybe I should design this differently. Because by default, I don't like debug, so. Yeah, let's just give them debug by default. Who cares? And by default, do we want the what's the second one? What's the second? Oh, show all warnings. I guess we could all do that too. Sure. But I'm personally going to turn these off. But these are just default values. I don't care about warnings. I have like 50 of them in my project. What else? Okay, so for the optimizations, let's set it to default. Let's do like, should we do 0? No, who cares about? Let's do 02. That's pretty standard, right? Wait, does optimization come first? Yeah, it does. It's 110. Oh, shoot. Okay, 02. And then what's the optimization flag? Wait, no, the C++ standard flag. What's it called, dude? Oh wait, it's 2. Okay. Standard equals. Okay. Let's have the default be 20. Why not? Or 17. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's just make default 17. Why not? Yeah. Okay, and no matter what, we're gonna read in the values, right? So let's read in the values. Okay, so it's gonna be a string, right? Because why not? I mean, it's a command, so let's just um, okay, so it's gonna be the user's compile options. The user compile options. The user compile string. Okay, so that's just wide input file. Let's read it in. Okay. Compile in. Just the path, right? That would, yeah. And we need to C string it. Okay, now we also need a do we already have a temp string? Do we? No, we don't. Wait, we don't need a temp. Yeah, actually we do. Okay, let's just okay, user compile string. And then let's just say if at the end, I mean the end is gonna have it, but let's just say if the end has it, we don't have to do this, but oh well. Let's just see. Hopefully it works. Should work. Please get created. Okay, it failed. What happened? Oh, we forgot to define the string, dude. Okay, this is for paths. Let's do another one here. Should work now. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, it worked. Nice. I'm pretty sure it gets read into the user compile string. Okay, wait, no. So the compile string, it needs to start with G++. So let's actually do that. Yeah, so it needs to start with G++. Let's do that. Okay, let's do this. Just do an assignment. G++ and then the options, right? Cool. Okay. Yeah, so now we're just gonna say, now we can do this. So now, yeah, so if we find it, yeah, so we can check it. If we find, we're just gonna call the string find. So if the file, if we can find -g, then it's not a debug. Okay, we need to check it. So we need to check it. What's the message? I forgot the message. Yeah, set check. Button message, set check. And I also forgot this. So let's go here. Yes, run state. Okay, so for this one we can just, okay, wait, do we have the wall for the warnings? Yeah, we do. Okay. Run message set check, run state checked. Okay. So if the, now we need to determine which standard they're currently on. But that's pretty easy because what about we just make them the same, right? Oh well. What about we just get the third word? No, I might. Okay, so how do we do this? I mean, we could just easily do it with a bunch of ifs, but do I want to do that? We could, I mean, why not? Okay, you know what, screw it. Let's work on the save thing. So we have that as 160. Let's have a save. Do we need a function for this? Save? Okay, sure. Save compile options. Cool, cool. Okay. So when it gets clicked, that means it's 161. No, it's 160, right? Wait, no, that means that we don't need the wait. Which one? Okay. Save is 160, okay. Okay. It helps that we have this up here, so we don't need to. It kind of helps to guide, you know. 60. So we're gonna save it. Just a cancel. We don't need to handle the X, because if they put X, then we're just not going to save it. Cool. So yeah, let's just test that this works. Test. Takes a while to compile, Okay. Yeah, okay, so now they're checked, which is good, because that's the default. If we want to change it, we're going to allow you to save to change these compile option settings. Cool, it worked. Nice. Okay, now let's just save them. Are those all the options, though? There's probably more. These are pretty not needed. Oh wait, W extra. We can maybe have that. Extra warnings. I mean, they're not needed. I don't know, man. I think that's all right. Let's see Visual Studios. Wait, no, that's the debug options. Never mind. Somewhere here or something. I don't care. Doesn't matter. Let's just do this. Save. Okay, so when they want to save it, right, we're going to write to the file. Yeah, we're going to get the things. So we want the, how do we get it? Get check, right? Okay, so if get check, so we wanna say that the user compile string. We wanna set that back to C++. because we don't want to append on that. Okay, so now we want to see if the thing got checked or not. If I think it's get check, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's no if this is checked. Then we're going to add sure. Okay, so now we want to get whatever the user picked. So we're gonna just use our function from my library. Wait, no, that's an edit box, right? Can we do this? I don't know, man. Can we do this for a combo box? I don't know. Let's test it. Should work, right? Okay, let's create a W string, wide string. C++ standard. Let's just call it C++ standard. Let's have another one for the optimization. Okay, now we just do yeah, okay. So let's see. If it's 11, then we can just. Okay, so what we can do is, honestly, let's just do this. Let's just parse like the first part of it. So let's actually change this to like this. Let's just change it to like this, and then we're just gonna parse the like the first three for the optimization. Doop. Yeah, I think this is the best way to do it without like needing like, I don't want to write a bunch of ifs like that. You know what, let's just do this. I don't care. No, wait, actually what we can do is just append the two things. Yeah, let's just append the two things, right? So yeah. Smart, right? I'm pretty smart, eh? So now let's just... Okay, so for the optimizations, we're just gonna parse the first three. So, a substring first 3 characters, and yeah, that's good. And then let's just get a space. The standard, right? Okay, so it's gonna have the standard next, so let's just do this, why not? Do we need to convert the C into lowercase? I don't think so, right? I don't think so. Oh shoot, it's not. Okay. Let's honestly see if we did this. Okay. Did we do this right? Hopefully. Let's see. Oh wait, we need to write it to the file. We forgot to do that. But let's at least see if, before we write it to the file, let's see if we can, you know. Oh no, oh yeah, because we didn't choose anything. Let's choose something this time. Let's choose 01, let's choose C++ 20. Yay, it worked. Oh wait, there needs to be a space between wall and 01. Yeah, there needs to be a space. Good catch. Wall. Okay. Now, let's write it to the file. Wide output file. Let's split this, right? Should we split it? Yeah, okay, so what we're gonna do is split this, and then start at 1, because the first one is G++. Yeah, okay. Wait, what? I know I wrote a get split function. Yeah, that returns a vector of strings. Okay, so the commands, I guess. What should I name this? Okay, so this is for each line in the file, right? Never mind, let's just name it commands. Let's just name it options. The string. Separated by a space. Now let's do wide output reliable string. AD compile options path. Wait, no. f out, file out. Now let's, we need to start from 1 because we need to ignore the g++. And we're going to go to size, f out, I can't type. Okay, I think that should do it. I think when we set it over here, I think we have to kind of like just do the if statements. We could ignore it over here, but let's see if it works. Oh wait, we should close the file, honestly. Let's close it. Okay. Let's do extreme. Let's do 11. Extreme 11. Did it save? Shoot. Yay, it worked. We got extreme, we got 11. Even though there is this thing over here though. That's kind of annoying. Wait, maybe because, never mind. Let's just ignore the spaces. Do we ignore the spaces? Let's ignore the spaces. Where do we read in? Oh, it's in here. When we read it in, let's ignore the spaces. I mean, let's ignore the... Yeah. It's not empty. Let's just do that. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, this should prevent us from having these extra spaces. But oh well, I think that should work. We don't need to test it. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure that works. For this, all we have to do is get the stupid thing. We need to brute force this part. Like, it's actually kind of annoying, but oh well. Okay. Like, we could use a map, but still, like, that would still kind of be like, we still have to manually enter everything into the map. So it's like, that's still annoying. Honestly, I'll just do this later or something. Like, or let's just get it over with now. But yeah, I mean, this works, so that's nice. Like, let's demonstrate that it works. Obviously, the UI still needs... I don't need to record myself, like, tidying up the UI, you know? Like, that's pretty boring. And, like, yeah. Like, obviously, the UI, I need to get rid of the gray in the background, and I need to, you know... Yeah, so let's put 14... OS, right? This thing. Let's do none of these. Yeah, it should work. Watch. Where is it? Where's the dialogue? Let's save it, and it should work. Yay, it works. We don't have debug anymore. So now the string is just, the compile string is just, you know. Yeah, so that works. Nice.